And the only female in the group is the lovely Gwen. Okay? Gwen, okay, huwag mo lang kakalimutan na pag nagda-dive ka, dagdagan mo lang yung tingga mo. When I say tingga, yung weights mo. Kasi medyo, kung huminga ka, hindi deep eh.
So I'm very buoyant.
You're very, very buoyant. Okay? At saka, isa pa, kailangan magpapasexy ka na. Mag-reduce ka. Kasi, aside from your wetsuit na very buoyant, 3mm, pag mataba ka, marami kang fats, nagiging buoyant ka. Tsaka dagdagan mo ng muscle, kailangan mag-fitness ka.
Okay.
Okay, so enjoy your scuba diving, Gwen.
Thank you. Alright.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Alright. Eh dito, dagdagan natin ng konti. Okay, Gwen, ano yung pinaka-in-enjoy mo dito sa course na to?
Of course, seeing the fishes underwater. Parang before kasi I used to just snorkel, so I'm above and then the fishes are at the very bottom. Now I see them up close. So.
Okay. Well, anyway, so alam mo ang technique lang dyan. If you are not diving, okay, you buy yourself a mask, fin, and a snorkel.
Yeah.
Average about mga 3,000 pesos. Not cheaper than that. Kasi kung hindi, pangit yung mabibili mo. Baka yung bili mong mask eh, baka pumutok pa sa mukha mo yun, di ba? Kasi, syempre, kailangan yung pwede kang mag-dive. Na tempered yung glass. Alright?
Yes.
So, you buy yourself mask, fin, and snorkel, you'll become a better diver.
Okay.
Alright? Okay.